Hey everyone, welcome back to the HighNote channel. Are you one of the many real estate agents wondering how to take your business to the next level? Namely from rookie to top producer to team leader, then to a brokerage owner and finally selling your brokerage? Whatever stage you're at, this is the place for you as we regularly deliver great tips and content on how to get you to the next stage of your career, whatever stage that is. We provide this information for free. And I'm just walking you guys through my personal journey as a rookie agent to the #2 condo agent in San Francisco, to a team leader and eventually owner of Climb Real Estate, which we led to an acquisition by Realogy. Today, I'm founder and CEO of HighNote, the latest and greatest sales platform for the real estate industry. All I ask in return is that if you get anything out of this, do me a favor, you hit that like button. And if you want to keep getting tips and regular content, hit the subscribe button as well. It's very helpful for our channel. Drop a comment below and let me know what other questions we can answer for you. We always appreciate the feedback. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching, and we hope you get a lot out of this.
What is effective? This is the problem that I see in the social media space. Is what is effective there? How do you, and the key question is how do you increase your referability? How do you increase your respect as a real estate professional to your community? And then how do you do that on the platforms called Facebook, so Instagram, and so without the right context of content marketing and education, right? How do you level up? Like, do your friends go, oh my gosh, you need to work with blank because of the quality of the content that you put on your social media? And we know, Randy, that most agents today are basically like, can I just hire someone to post stuff on social media and will that do the job of getting me clients? And the answer is absolutely not. Right? Now, but I can be top of mind. Fine. Why would you spend a bunch of money to be top of mind? Right. If I'm going to spend money and I'm going to spend time, I want income. And so there's this fine line in here where, yes, you can increase your new business from your sphere who see you on social media if you do it well. Yes, you could probably increase your referability, right, on social media. But is it truly a lead generation system? Of the 70 coaching clients that I have across the United States, and I track how many sales came as a direct response from social media, meaning that people DM them, the percentage is like, and it has been for 5 years. Now, is it good brand building? Yes, if you are playing a content education marketing game. And if you're not, then you're just, this is just, have fun, like enjoy yourself. That's cool.
So the other strategy, right, to have that three-legged stool or the four pillars, right, depending on which philosophy you believe in, is that discovery, right? Like, how do people just find you? And I want to challenge anybody that watches this video, type in the Google search bar, moving to insert your town's name, state. Right? And I guarantee you're going to see your Zillows and your Trulias and, the people that are spending lots of money for those leads. But then immediately below that, about halfway down, you're going to see videos. And this was one of the aha moments that Patrick sparked for me, right? Zillow's not going to create content. I can tell you that right now, or not anytime soon, right? All these big companies are not. And to rank there isn't as hard. And Patrick's going to dive into some strategies, but I did that in my town. And I see the same guy, one guy who's doing it in my town. And there's 5 videos. So all these people are paying tens of thousands of dollars to be at the top. He created a little video. It's not that great. You don't have to be a professional photographer person. Like, it's darn near iPhone type of quality. It's ranking at the top. And this was like, holy crap, like anytime somebody goes and says, move to this town, right? That's what they're seeing. Now, as a human, I'm attracted to watching that video. I'm not going to click on a bunch of different websites, to be honest with you. I'm like a moth to light, right? Like just play the video, right? It doesn't look like any work. And that's an easy way to indoctrinate me into his sales funnel. Now I start to get comfortable. Oh, he's got 3 more videos. Let me watch those. And this was the point that Patrick made to me about a year ago. And I was just like, you're 100% right. Right? It makes sense. So
it's the ultimate relocation guide. So what makes up the ultimate relocation guide, right? It's the, right now, if you go into everybody's city, you type in, for Gainesville, for Rachel, we type in, Gainesville, Florida, and YouTube, you're going to see the pros and cons of living in Gainesville, Florida. Now we can update that title with what's it like living in Gainesville, Florida, and then cover the pros and cons. And if I was moving from California, if I was moving from, Michigan down to, and I was interested in Gainesville, Florida, I would love to watch some content on what's the pros and cons, what's it like living there. That would be super helpful for me. What else would be helpful in the relocation guide? The cost of living, right? Because in California, I pay 1% property tax, but what's it in Florida? What's it there, right? In California, I have different insurance policies. It's very different in Gainesville, Florida. And in California, I have, stupidity in terms of energy costs, which are outrageous. Well, what are they in Florida? Relationship there. If I am relocating to Gainesville, I'd love to understand my basic costs so I can calculate that into my purchasing decision. That's super helpful, right? And for most agents, you actually don't even know what these things are. So it would be good for you guys to go learn them and then present them, right, for yourself. Then what else? Well, I'd want to know kind of where to live in Gainesville, Florida, right? So we've got the coast, we've got the expensive markets, we've got different subdivisions, we've got the golf course community. So how do you explain the where to live in Gainesville, Florida? Is there the top 5 neighborhoods or communities? Is there 3 of the best, golf course communities, gated communities? How do you guys break these things down so I can figure out from a video what this is all about? So when you really start to break down the relocation guide, this is just great content that you guys should be creating anyways and delivering to people that are moving to your community. Now, for my friends who are in more expensive, kind of high-end niche communities like mine, calm down. Yes, you're not going to get, like Rachel could be generating and Sherry should be generating, 20 to 30 leads a month from their YouTube channel if they do this well. But for people like myself in Solana Beach, San Diego, I could generate, if I did like Solana Beach and Del Mar, if I generated like 2 or 3 leads a month, that is a huge win at my average sales price of $3 million.
Right.
So guys, let's keep this in context, right? So, we need
$3 million. $3 million gets you a chicken coop or a nice house. What do you get out there,
Right. So guys, this is what you just we all should create a relocation guide, period, as a professional.
If you want to keep getting tips, hit the subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching, and we hope you get a lot out of this.